This Mark Levinson door speaker is a factory-correct replacement designed specifically for the Lexus SC430 convertible, so it fits properly without modification. Because it is an original equipment component from Lexus, the build quality and materials match what the car left the factory with, which helps maintain overall system reliability. The 6x9-inch design delivers full-range sound that integrates smoothly with the rest of the Mark Levinson system, preserving the car's premium audio character. Owners who replace a failed or tired original driver with this unit typically notice restored clarity, especially in mid-range detail and vocal reproduction. Using a genuine Lexus part avoids the guesswork of aftermarket speakers and ensures correct impedance and sensitivity for the factory amplifier. For enthusiasts who care about keeping the SC430 as authentic as possible, this speaker offers an easy way to retain both originality and high-quality sound.